Hi everyone, today I'm gonna be reading a book called Digger the Dinosaur. Digger was a good dinosaur, but he was a busy dinosaur. Sometimes he forgot to listen. Digger, Mama started called, clean your room. Digger looked at Stego. Stego looked at Digger. Can't I play? Digger asked. No, said Mama Store. Your room is a mess. She said yes, asked Digger. She said mess, said Stego. I can fix that, said Digger. I will help, said Stego. Go, let's go, said Digger. Put your coat on the hook, said Stego. So Digger did. Digger, said Stego, you put your coat on a book. You said book, said Digger. I said hook, said Stego. I can fix that, said Digger, and he did. Let's put away all these bones away. So Digger did, and Stego did. Digger, said Stego, you put the stones away. You said stones, said Digger. I said bones, said Stego. I can fix that, said Digger, and he did. Monster walked in. Put all those hats away, she said. Then go play. Hurry, said Digger, and he did, and Stego did. Wait, said Digger, did she say hats? Stego nodded. I think so. So Digger and Stego roared. We both got mixed up. Mama Sora walked in. Good job, she said. Now no more messes. She said yes, said Digger. Let's play ball. And they did. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!